Big power in small packages. RECOM's global design and manufacturing infrastructure uses the latest 3D power packaging technologies with fully automated manufacturing to enable low-cost, high-reliability products for the global electronics industry. 3D PP enables RECOM to reduce the size of its modules by leveraging the Z-axis. The RPX series delivers up to 2.5 amps in a QFN package, which uses flip chip on lead frame technology to miniaturize the size, while also enhancing performance. RECOM's RPL series delivers 3 amps in an LGA package with components embedded directly in the PCB. The RPM series are complete, non-isolated LGA power modules with up to 6 amps output. RECOM's R05CT05S is a 500 milliwatt medical-grade isolated DC-DC converter in an SOIC 16 package with 5 kilovolts of isolation. Order now and test the latest RECOM 3D PP products. We power your products. Find out more on www.recom-power.com/3DPP.